Forensic Document Examiner. Thank you for coming today. For passing our analysis, we need to collect some handwriting samples. This is a standard procedure. We are collecting these samples for different comparison purposes. Our goal is to determine how handwriting matches is good, or more importantly, if it clearly doesn't match, which would help to eliminate you as a suspect. Do you understand that these samples are for comparison to either include or exclude you?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Now, to ensure an accurate comparison, I need you to reproduce an exact content in this field log. I will dictate the sentence to you. And I need to write it down on this yellow using this password as the word codes. These are the same type of material used for the original book. It's very important that you write naturally as you always do. Please don't try to alter your handwriting in any way. Just focus on writing the words clearly. Are you ready for the sentence?
Yes.
Please write, I'm sorry. I have to do this. Please water the plants. And care for my dog. Pointless. I love you. Okay, great. Now I need you to write the exact same sentence for more times. Just continue writing on the lines below. Naturally, until you completed in total 5 full repetition of the sentence. Perfect one. That's exactly what we needed. I appreciate your cooperation. We now have the comparative samples we require for analysis. We will be in touch with you once our experts have completed their examination. Thank you for your time.